At the beginning of the book, we have a section titled The Flow of the Program that talks about how you go through it. And basically, it has 5 units. Each unit describes a portion of the executive functioning process. So we start with a questionnaire and a background, getting where to focus on as you work with a child with executive functioning. And then it teaches the whole metacognitive process in the next stages, which is to stop and imagine, to think and plan, to do and review, and to check and turn in. And the critical part of each of these units is broken down into 2 portions, the social emotional exercises, and then the executive functioning checklists and to-do lists. So the difference between those 2 is most executive functioning books have the checklists and to-dos, but almost no book has the social emotional, looking at the underlying skills that need to be developed as a person to build these stop and imagine, do and review, and all of the steps that we're doing here in the workbook. So with the questionnaire, you can then pinpoint which units in the book you want to start with.